Hello, this instructional video will show you how to complete online homework, quizzes, and exams through the Blackboard site, which you're into right now. So to begin with, read all the instructions. For example, do not use Internet Explorer to do homework, and quizzes, and exams. Okay, it will mess things up. Use Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. They seem to work well. Next, you're going to do a practice homework. This doesn't count towards your grade. Excuse me for a minute. It doesn't count towards your grade. It just is practice so that I know that you know how to do online assignments like quizzes, exams, and homework. So just follow this video and stop it and pause it and replay it as you need. Read all the instructions. Okay, you can take this homework, this particular homework, up to 2 times for submitting it for grading. All homework assignments are due by Monday at 11 p.m. Okay, that's 11 p.m. just short of midnight. You do not have to complete all the homework assignments all at one time. You can start the homework assignment, exit, and come back to it. But eventually you do need to press what's called Save and Submit for grading. Okay, so we're going to just actually go through this in this video. Start by clicking on the homework assignment. Answer as many questions as you want. If you cannot complete the homework in one setting, simply click on the close window. Blackboard will remember what you've answered so that when you come back, you don't have to repeat the questions you've answered. You just have to finish the ones you haven't. So like it says here, when you want to continue your homework, simply click on the homework assignment and it will start off where you left off. Neat. Okay, when you're done though, you do have to press the Save and Submit. And because this is a homework assignment and you get 2 attempts, you can only do this twice. So let's begin. I'm going to do the practice homework just like you're going to the first time. And that practice homework should prepare you for quizzes, homework, and exams. So let's start. It's going to give you information here that this test can be saved and can resumed later. The test has multiple attempts, in this case 2. And to begin, click on Begin to start it, or Cancel to go back. In this case, I want to begin it. And what I want you to do is read the instructions. This can be submitted twice. You know that. This is the first attempt of 2. And this is just telling you that by moving forward through this homework, it will automatically save it. So what that means is, see, you have 1 of 4 questions, and if you let your mouse hover, this is go to the next question, and this is go to the last question. Okay? So right now I'm starting with question 1. I'm simply going to read the question and select my answer. In this case, I would like to earn an A. And by clicking on the next question, that's what you're going to have to do. Press that single arrow to the right. It will move to the next question, and so on and so forth. It also saves what you've answered, so that when you, if you don't complete this in one step, one setting, when you come back, it'll be waiting for you. So just follow along. I answered question 1. Now I'm to question 2. What topic might you learn in this class? And you can select as many as you want. So you're going to learn about electricity, probably what makes a good circuit, probably how to control machines, probably not how to underwater basket weaving. So I'm going to go ahead and click the next window, the next question, and let's say that I've run out of time right now, and I'm going to have to close this and come back to this homework assignment. So in other words, it's not done, it's not finished. So I want to come back to it later and finish it. So all I have to do is click on Close Window, and it's going to say this has not been submitted. Press Cancel to return the test, or if I want to leave it, then go ahead and say Leave this page. So I'm going to leave this page, and it's going to remember where I left off. So I'll show you. So I'm on the practice homework. There are 4 questions. I've answered 2, and I had to go do something else. So I'm going to have to come back to this homework assignment to finish it sometime later. Say that's going to happen with you too. So the next thing I'm going to do is I finished doing what I needed to do. I come back and now I'm going to finish my homework. I simply re-click on the same homework assignment. It tells you click Continue to continue. Homework or cancel or go back. I want to continue to complete this. practice homework. So I click on it, and it remembers where I was. I was on question 3 of 4, and if I want to see my first questions, if it allows, I can back arrow, and now I'm on question 1 of 4, and it shows me what answer I selected. And then there's 2, and now I just need to finish this. I will have to put in some effort in this class. Yes, you will have to put some effort into this class. So I'm going to go to the next one. And then what resources will you need to complete this class? And this will be select all that apply. And in this case, you'll need a personal computer. You definitely need to attend class. You need to study all the materials, the instructional materials as they come, and miss classes whenever you want to. Probably not. So there aren't any more questions, so there's no more right arrows. There's only go back and review what you did. Close the window and don't submit it, or save and submit. So if you're all done with the homework assignment and you want it to be graded, simply click on Save and Submit, and that will submit it to me. It will get graded and be put in your grade book. So I'm going to do that. And it says, are you sure? And then it tells you time used and some other information. I simply click on OK. And then it's going to give you a summary of what you did. How well you did. Hey, I scored pretty well. Oh, I missed one right here. Look at that. Anyway, fun stuff. So that's how you do homework, quizzes, and assignments. Homework, quizzes, and exams, I mean. You need to remember that little arrow goes to the right or to the left. Basically, finish off the homework as you can. If you can't complete it in one setting, simply close it, and it will remember where you were, then come back to it. And then at the end, you need a Save and Submit button, and all of those instructions are listed right here. Okay? And again, homework assignments are due Monday by 11, and you, at the end of homework and quizzes and exams, you have to press the Save and Submit button. Now, let's say that you want to work on your homework again. You've already submitted it, it's been graded, but you didn't like the grade that you got, so you can do it again. And this also works if the homework gets jammed up, I believe. So the net result is I'm giving you 2 opportunities to submit your homework. Okay? We just did one and submitted it for grading. Okay? Now, let's do it again as if it were the second attempt. Either it got jammed up or it got reset, whatever. Or you just didn't like your grade and you wanted to do it again. Okay? So simply click on it one more time, left click on it, and it says, hey, more information. I want to begin it, and read the instructions here. This test allows for 2 attempts, and because I'm a professor and instructor in this, it's not incrementing, but this would say 2 of 2 attempts. Okay? And then you essentially would just take it again. So let's go through this one more time. We're going to read the instructions carefully. I want to earn an A. I'm going to move to the next one by clicking on the next button and next right arrow button. What topics might I learn in this class? Electricity, how to control things, what makes up a good circuit. And I'm going to go next, and I'm going to close the window because let's just say I can't finish the homework all at one time. I have to go do something, or it's the end of the night and I just can't do anymore. I will close the window. I'll leave the page. I go do whatever it needs to be done at home or at work, or it's the end of the night or it's the next day or whatever. But when I want to come back to complete the homework, I simply go back to the homework I want to work on, click on it. It says, hey, do you want to continue or cancel? And go back. I want to continue. I want to finish off this homework assignment, so I'm on 3 of 4. And this is where I missed the first one. I will have to put in effort. That is true. And then go to the next one. And what resources? A personal computer, attend class, study the instruction materials, and not this one. So I'm done with my homework. I could close it and just have it save it, but if you look at it and review it before I submit it. But if I'm done with my homework and I'm ready for it to be graded, I must click on, and you must click on, Save and Submit. So go ahead and do that. And it says, are you sure? Clicking OK, we'll submit it. So that's what I want to do. It gives me a little summary, and this is the full summary. And this time, I have got all the grades, all the points for this, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. So that's what would be in your gradebook. In this case, the practice homework does not count towards your gradebook, but it's the same for quizzes, exams, and homework. Go through these same steps. All right, thank you very much.